Hello my dear students. Today I would like to discuss about the origin of monsoon and seasons of monsoon climate or Indian climate. Okay? There are four remarkable seasons in Indian climate. First of all, I would like to describe the origin of monsoon. Why does it blow and why does it change its way with the change of seasons? Number one, this is your equator. This is 23.5 degrees south. It is your Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. This is north. I already mentioned in the last class about the apparent movement of the sun. This is your apparent movement of the sun. I have tried to make you out this matter to the matter. The north towards north, the sun seems to be moving, but actually it doesn't move. So, why do we feel so? Because due to inclination of the Earth's axis and elliptical shape of the Earth's orbit, the sun seems to be moving from south towards north for 6 months, 3, 6, 9, 12. On the other hand, from 21st June to December, the sun seems to be moving towards south. That is called Dakshinayan. And from 21st December to 21st June, this apparent movement of the sun is known as Uttarayan. I would like to start the topic from summer. When it is summer? This is your 21st March. This day I have mentioned here, the sun is over the equator. The stations along the equator receiving the perpendicular sun rays, that means temperature is maximum along the equator and equatorial region. Gradually, March, April, May and June. March, April, May. These 3 months is known as summer. With the gradual movement of the sun, the Indian subcontinent gets too much heated, and temperature distribution is shown in the weather map by isothermal line. Isotherm, what do you mean by isotherm? Isotherm means the line joining the stations which is similar in temperature distribution. So this isothermal line indicates the distribution of temperature all over India. In this season, that is summer, the temperature in the extreme western part of Rajasthan is about 48 degrees C. Why does it get too much heated? Because of its density of rocks. Rocks means rocks here turns into fragments of rock, that means silica sand. So sand particles gets too much heated within a short period of time and it loses its temperature within a short period of time also. So there is a great remarkable change of temperature during day and night as well as in summer and winter. So the great rocks gets fragmented by means of mechanical weathering. So there is a remarkable change of temperature during day and night. Temperature here during this season 48 degrees C recorded. Bemer is the highest recorded temperature here. The extreme western desert town Jaisalmer also receives 47 degrees temperature, 47 degrees C temperature has recorded. On the other hand, coastal areas in summer there is your 28 degrees C. Why? I have mentioned due to thermal exchange facilities along the coastal area, there is no remarkable range of temperature is experienced. Here, due to thermal exchange along the coastal line, no remarkable variation of temperature is experienced here. On the other hand, West Bengal receives 35 degrees C. Chotanagpur Plateau 45. Asansol in West Bengal receives the highest temperature 47. But nowadays in West Bengal, Mayureshwar in Birbhum district, it is high temperature recorded here. Highest temperature is recorded here in West Bengal, Mayureshwar in Birbhum district. On the other hand, along the mountainous region, temperature becomes only 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. Because of its high altitude, temperature gradually decreases. So, temperature is near about 15 degrees C. Central part of India, that is Madhya Pradesh, and plateau, due to presence of the plateau region, here temperature ranges from 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, Delhi Highland, 46 degree temperature is recorded. This is the distribution of temperature in the summer season. Summer season, with the change, with the stage of time, the season also changes. When it is 21st June, the sun apparently seems to be over the Tropic of Cancer here on 21st June. 21st June, a strong low pressure trough is developed, is formed over the Tibetan plateau, and on the other hand, as the solar position is far away from the southern hemisphere, over the Indian Ocean, there is your high pressure trough on the Indian Ocean. From high pressure to low pressure, wind begins to blow, following the Farrell's law due to Coriolis force in this direction. After crossing the equator, it turns towards right once again. In the Cape Cameroon, the wind gets bifurcated into two single branches. Number one, this is your southwest monsoon. I have already mentioned southwest monsoon, Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch. It gets divided into two branches. Number one, Bay of Bengal branch and Arabian Sea branch. As it is moving towards the land surface and it is moving over the ocean surface,